Yo boys, before we get into this video, if you would like the chance of winning a 10 coin promo on Rain, all you have to do is comment your Discord name and like this video. Now I'm gonna draw 2 people from the last video. The first winner is Happy and the second winner is going to be Nossi. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video here on Vaulty. We're once again back on Rain.gg. We have 650 coins to play with. Before we get into the video, if you'd like to play on Rain, please play under code Vaulty, hit apply. If you do so, you support us and you join our 600 coin weekly leaderboard. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. The triple jackpot is up at 30k, so I think we're gonna try to go for that today. I mean, it has to hit soon. Was such a long time ago it was. We're just gonna start off 25 coins on Rain, and just maybe we can start the video off with a win. I don't think I've hit the triple jackpot before, so please let this be the time. Let's see. That's way too fast. Let's do one more or 2 more. Let's do 2 12.5s. Has been 4 Rain spins the last 100. We should at least see one here. Okay, no, let's do one more, then we'll go over to battles instead. Show us that Rain spin. Okay, that's not it. Almost a bait. Let's see, we do have Rainbot 1 in our team. Usually a good sign. Okay. Hey, that's a spin. Let this be the AK Asimov, come on. AK Asimov, do it. M4 is really good as well. That's 300. Two cases left. Just give us one more hit and we're off to a great start there. Okay, almost there. Last case, Kraken. Okay. We should win this. It's a bit of profit. Okay, nice. Now we're at 180, okay. Let's go back to double and try to get a spin here. After this we're gonna do 2 more 30s on Rain. Give it to us now. Is that it? Nah. Okay, 2 more chances. Yesterday when I was streaming I put 20 coins on Rain spin and the bet didn't register and it hit a 75x. That was so unlucky. So I feel like they should give me a spin now. Could that be it? Nah, almost. It's getting closer, it's getting closer. Okay, one more bet here, come on. Saw that Ginger Steve is betting, he's the top guy on the leaderboard, so hopefully me and Steve could hit something here. Okay, no spins. Let's go back to the battles. Let's see now. No 1% ticket. We have 2 more 1% cases. Would be nice to see a hit here in the beginning. No. Outback, please. Spin on the bottom side. We do have 5 cases left. Okay, that's bad. That's actually bad. Yeah, that's really bad for the percentage. Now these need to hit. Okay, and it's not even a good pull. Okay, that's good. Now bot number 16 needs to pull. And he does, come on. There's good items in here. Okay, that's good. 700, okay. Bot 15, hit as well. No, it's basically a 50-50. Show us blue now. Show us blue. Okay, that's us. Nice. Made some profit. We're up to 667. Come on, I'm feeling the triple. Now we're back at starting balance here. Please, may this be the one. Let's see. Okay, no hit, no hit. Let's try this. 25 coins, 5x. Let's go down here. Okay, let's do one more. Another 25. We're gonna do down here again. That a hit? Nah, almost. We have seen a lot of hits on our side, so I think it's time to them to hit now, should be. Come on. Bot 5 and number 9. Stop. No. AK X-ray, maybe. Okay, we lose percentage. Or no, it's not jackpot, my bad. But we're not seeing any hits. 2 more catacombs, please. Okay, it's up to the last case. This is also 5% there. Yeah, we lost that one. Okay, now it's going. Come on. Ah, almost a spin straight away. Come on. Okay, that's good, that's good. Show us a gold. We need to see a gold. Okay, that's 250, we'll take it. The keys. No. 5 cases left. Now we need to see some pulls. It's not paying at all. We need to say over 1k. See over 1k for money back. Okay, no way! No way! We hit the 1% on Melody! This could be so bad! That's 2k. That's 2k. No way! Okay, we need crazy hits. I don't even know if it's possible. Yeah, now it's definitely not possible. Fuck! Why did we go crazy mode? Last case. Please! Triple hit on the bottom. Go down! No! That paid so good as well! 1k each! All in battle, going 4-way crazy mode. I pulled on the 1%er, so surely we won't hit again. Come on. Please, may this be the comeback. Five cases. Nah, and I get the... Okay, these two need to pull. We need to see a double pull on these two. Oh, that's 700! Please, double pull on these two. Two cases left. Please do it. Ah, 4% case left. Oh my god, this paid so good. Yeah, that case really fucked us. Paid 1k almost. 900. I think this is it, boys. This is probably gonna be it. Yeah, that's it, boys. Nothing much we can do. Unfortunately, we did go crazy mode on the fucking 2k pull. But thank you so much for watching the video. If you wanna play on Rain, play under code Vaulty, hit apply. If you do so, you join the 600 coin weekly leaderboard, and we will see you boys in the next video. Bye.